Did you hear something?
Look, human, look! There's someone out there!
Yikes, what's happening?
Oh, sorry, Rambo. I'm sure Meowy didn't mean to startle you. Yes, sorry, Rambo. Come and help, human. Do you see anyone? I'm sorry, Meowy, but no. I can't see anyone there. Oh, damn it! I'm sure I saw someone out there just a moment ago. Yes, well, perhaps you just missed him. Perhaps he left already. So, hello to you viewers out there. This is our cat Meowy, and perhaps I should tell you that he has a tendency to sometimes see things that aren't there. Yes, sometimes he actually does see something and gets quite excited, but there are also moments that we quite frankly cannot see anything going out there, and he seems to be quite positive that there is something happening. So, you know, it's sometimes a huge mystery what's going on inside the cat's head. Hello again, human. Is there something out there now? Well, no, but just wait a little. Perhaps there will be soon, my darling.
I am a big bunny, big bunny eating grass. I am a big bunny.
Look, human! Now I actually see something. It's a big bunny eating grass. Come on, let's get closer. But let's move very, very quietly. Don't make a sound, human. Well, I had to make just little sounds there myself. It was sort of an instinct reaction, but luckily the bunny didn't notice us. We are here, completely hidden, inside the window. Yes, he doesn't see us, but we see him. This is a perfect hiding place.
I am a big bunny, still here, eating more grass. I am a big bunny, eating.
He still doesn't see us, human. What do you think I should call myself here inside the window? Am I a silent stalker, a watchful eye, or perhaps a big brother? Some sort of guardian of all nature around us.
Let's dive deeper to grass.
Beep, 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 beep. I want to get to YouTube too. Oh my God, human. Did you see that? It's like a rush hour of all nature things out here now. It's like there are days when you don't see simply anything, and then there are days when everything emerges from the bushes for us to see. Ah, isn't this nice? A very, very happy day indeed. Thank you, Bunny. So nice of you. Oh, did you see that, human? There was a bad car who scared him away. I feel so sorry for you, Bunny. I do hope we'll see again sometime.
See you next time.